What's up, everyone? It's another busy day, but today is a little bit different because I invited a guest to join me. My good friend Stephanie Ramones of Contigo Photography will be here. She's a professional photographer and videographer. She has done some incredible work. I have worked with her for many years, but I asked her to come today so that she could help me to just better understand my setup and make sure that everything from camera settings to lighting to audio is set up the best way possible. I'm really excited. I cannot wait for her to get here. So let's get started.
Try to correct warmer because daylight's normally a very cool light, right? I would try to hide this better, but like I would just put something like that.
See how that looks.
Where it's like you're seeing a contrast in lighting. Like, you know, you just point it up.
Oh, see, that's what I've been wanting, lights like that.
So you can just hide it. That's what they used to do. I would put it on a table.
Okay.
So people can see where it's coming from.
Got it.
Do you know what I mean? Because that's the whole point of these practical lights, right?
Okay. Okay, so we did a lot today. We changed some of the lights. Steph went into my cameras, changed some of the settings. I learned a lot. I'm gonna be getting some new equipment. It's always helpful when you have a close friend like I do, Stephanie of Contigo Photography, to come in and help and to explain things. I took a lot of notes. She gave me very specific settings and told me like, when you wanna do this type of shot, make sure you have the settings here. She broke things down so easily and I have so many notes, but all of these little changes are gonna make the overall videos look good. This was a really fun experience for me and I learned so much, and her and I are gonna be planning a photo shoot together soon. So you'll see her come back around again. I hope you guys enjoyed this behind the scenes of me learning. You know, I don't know a whole lot about lighting and audio and things like that. This is something that as content creators we have to learn, but I'm just so fortunate to have my friend to be able to come here and to work with me through this. So if you're looking for somebody who does professional photography or videography, you can feel free to reach out to her directly. I'll put her information below, but make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this, also helpful tutorials. And if you ever have any questions, feel free to reach out. But until next time, y'all, ciao.